we'll start with what we just did. Your underhand here, left foot forward, 5, 6, 7, and sweep over, step left, sweep back, sweep over, step right, sweep back, underhand weave, walk it forward, put your right foot forward, turn left into counterclockwise pinwheel, turn left into overhand weave, step your right foot forward, turn left into clockwise pinwheel, turn left into underhand weave, turn right into clockwise pinwheel, turn right into overhand weave, step your left foot forward, turn right into counterclockwise pinwheel, turn right into underhand weave, and now turn weave to weave. So it's underhand on the right and overhand on the left, and underhand on the right, go to overhand on the left, underhand on the right, go to overhand on the left. Now come up to the pinwheel and counterclockwise, turn to the right to the underhand weave, turn left to the pinwheel, turn left to the weave, and open it up into circles, spread your legs, double stall between your legs, come out in underhand. Your underhand weave on the left now, put your left foot forward, and turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to underhand weave, turn right to overhand weave, turn left to the clockwise pinwheel, and now turn left to the underhand weave, turn right to the clockwise pinwheel, turn right to the overhand weave, open it up, and sweep back, step right, sweep over, step right, sweep back, step right, sweep over, sweep back, step your right foot back, sweep over, sweep back, and chase the sun clockwise, and turn to the right and overhand, spread your legs, double stall, sweep up over the top, chase the sun counterclockwise, and turn to the left into overhand, overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, step your left foot forward, turn right to overhand weave, step your left foot forward, turn right to underhand weave, then turn left to overhand weave, step your left foot back, turn left to underhand weave, step your left foot back, turn left to overhand weave, open it up, chase the sun counterclockwise, chase the sun, kind of chill it out, come up into your pinwheel. If you got that extension, add that extension in, but you may not have room, especially with those poi in your space, and back into your pinwheel, and then turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, come up to the pinwheel, down into overhand weave, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to the counterclockwise pinwheel, turn right to the underhand weave, open it up, sweep over the top, open your legs, double stall between your legs, sweep over the top, open the legs, double stall between the legs, sweep over the top, double stall between the legs, sweep over the top, double stall between the legs, sweep over the top, down into overhand weave on the left, and open it up and down. See, and I know one of your goals is being able to connect it together, so here you have a whole bunch of things now suddenly connected. You got turns, you've got dynamism, look at you go. The reason that I'm doing it at the pace that I'm doing it at is because, one, I want to push you to be moving faster than you would normally move yourself. And I don't mean spinning the poi faster, but I mean transitioning sooner than you might comfortably feel on your own. And the reason, and me calling it out, I think short circuits your need to actually think about what to do next. If you practice it enough times, what will end up happening is it'll feel like it's in your muscle memory, and you won't have to be thinking about it. You'll just be able to access it because some part of your body is going to remember some portion, if not all, of the sequence.